In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deploy your GitHub project to Cloudflare pages. So this will be a step-by-step guide and I'll walk you through everything that you need to know. So let's jump into it. So this is actually very simple. First, what you would do is you would open up GitHub in a new tab and also Cloudflare. Now I'm going to use this as an example, this to-do list project. It is a very simple project that I created just for this example video. So this is the project here. Here is an example. If we click on it, you can see it is a to-do list. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and deploy this on Cloudflare pages. So open up Cloudflare pages. Then you need to come down to the dashboard, and then on the dashboard, come down here on the sidebar, and you're looking here for compute workers. Click on the downwards arrow, then go to workers and pages. That will then take you to this page here. And from here, you can go ahead and click on pages, and then you can import an existing Git repository. Go ahead and click get started. And what it will do is, if you haven't already connected your GitHub account to Cloudflare, it will just ask you to sign in. Go ahead and sign in, and then you'll have connected them both together. Now we can deploy a site from your account. So select GitHub, choose your account. So mine is KnowledgeBase YT, and it should then show you all of the repositories that you can deploy. We're going to do here to do video, and that is the to-do list that I just shown you. So we'll click on this. We'll then click begin setup. Now you can give this a name. I'm just going to go with the default to do video name. And then here where it says production branch, I'm going to keep this on main. And here you need to choose a preset. So if you used any presets to build your project, you can go ahead and choose it, and it will fill out the build command and the build output directory. Because mine is very simple HTML and I didn't use a preset, this will be none, but obviously if you used a preset, you'd know what you used. You can choose it here and it will fill out these for you. For the output directory, I'm just going to enter in a period, and then we can click save and deploy. Again, if you have used a preset, you will know what you've used. You can choose it here and it should fill this out for you. Click save and deploy, and then just wait a couple of seconds, and it is then going to deploy your website. So here we can see initializing build environment. It's going to go through all of this very quickly here. And there you go, success, your project is deployed, and you can go ahead and then preview it here at todovideo.pages.dev. If we click on this, it's then going to open up our project. Here it is. So we can go ahead and add a custom domain as well, but I'm not going to cover that in this video. I'll leave links in the description below if you want to add a custom domain to your Cloudflare pages.